Hey guys, welcome back to Make It Easy DIY. Today I'm going to be doing 4 very easy $3 DIYs that anybody can do. And as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. For the first project, I'm trying to make a farmhouse home sign that's going to be perfect for summer in your house. For this, I grabbed 4 of these little stretched canvases from Dollar Tree, and we only need the frame, so I just removed the canvas sheet from it, and I'm gonna stain the frames using this wood stain that I grabbed from Walmart. After staining the frames, set it aside and you're gonna let it dry completely before you move on to the next step. And for the next step, here I'm gonna use the white cardboard piece that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm using this inside the frame. So go ahead and cut out the desired size of the sheets, and here I'm gonna be using some of the stencils that I have grabbed from Walmart and a black marker. And I'm gonna be creating the letters H, O, M and E on the front of my frames. Next, I'm going to be attaching the frames together. For the video purpose, I'm using just the hot glue, and you can also use a combination of E6000 and hot glue to make it stronger. Then I'm going to take some popsicle sticks and put hot glue along the back side and put one of them each wherever the frame ceases. Once this is completely dried, it's just going to give you a really firm sign, so you could hang it up or do anything with it. Next, I'm gonna add some greeneries on the top and bottom edges of the sign and add a little loop hanger using some jute twine. I really love the way it turned out, and for under just $8, I think this is a really nice sign, and I think I could reuse it throughout the season. The next project is super easy. You will need 3 of these wooden craft towels from Dollar Tree, and you can make a triangle, a square or a pentagon, whatever shape you want. And here I am making a triangle, and I'm going to glue the ends using this hot glue gun to make the shape. Once everything is well dried, it's time to paint. So you can paint the color you want, maybe gold or silver, but here I'm using a black spray paint to color it and let it dry very well. You can put florals on one corner of the triangle. This time I'm using these beautiful peonies that I grabbed from Dollarama, and I'm going to glue it to the dowels using my hot glue gun. Once you're finished, you can hang it on the wall and this will be the result. It's a very easy wall decor that look high-end and really beautiful. For the next project, I am trying to make a really cute photo collage wall decor using this Dollar Tree picture frame. You'll also need some photo printouts for these projects, some jute twine, some tiny wooden clips, and some push pins also from Dollar Tree. To start with, you will need to remove the glass from the photo frame. You will just need the frame for this project. And go ahead and pin the push pins along the sides of the frame and create a web-like design connecting the jute twine in between the pins. Now all you need to do is to clip the pictures to the twine, making a desired design. To add a little more color, I'm gonna clip some of these greeneries that I already had. I think these are from Dollarama. Well, you can use maybe some tiny flowers, small heart shapes, it's up to you guys. Here I use these greeneries and that's it, your cute collage picture frame is ready. I really love this one especially. You can hang it on your baby's nursery and I think it turned out super cute. And I guess it's super easy to try as well. For the next project, I'm trying to make a high-end looking succulent planter using these Dollar Tree supplies. I'm using this round glass bowl from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna tape this off halfway to do half white and then half transparent. And then once you have taped it off, go ahead and spray paint the bottom white. Here I use the Rust-Oleum white spray paint to do that. And after it's completely dried, fill the bottom with a grocery bag or some paper, and I'm gonna fill it with these beautiful pebble rocks from Dollar Tree, and then place the little succulent in the center. That's all, and you can see with just a couple of dollars you can get this beautiful end product, and I really like how it turned out. It's a really cute succulent planter. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to check out my other DIY videos. So I'll leave a link right here so that you can jump through and watch those videos. And as always, thank you so much guys for coming along with me today, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video.